When people hear about cyber attacks today, they often hear one word again and again: automation. Attacks are automated, defenses are automated, AI is everywhere. But automation isn't magic, and it isn't intelligence. In this episode of Zyber, we're going to look at how automation changed cybersecurity on both sides, why it became necessary, and why even now humans still matter more than ever. Years ago, many cyber attacks were manual. Someone tried a few tricks, waited for a response, and adjusted. That doesn't work anymore. Today's attacks are mostly automated processes. They scan the internet continuously, test common passwords, try known weaknesses, and move on instantly if nothing works. There's no persistence, no emotion, no personal intent. It's not a person knocking on your door, it's background noise moving at machine speed. When attacks happen at machine speed, defense has to respond the same way. Humans simply can't react fast enough. That's why modern systems block first, contain quickly, and review calmly afterward. Automation doesn't replace people, it buys them time. It keeps systems stable long enough for thoughtful decisions to be made. Here's the part that's often overlooked. Automation is fast, but it doesn't understand why something is happening. It follows patterns. It reacts to signals. It repeats what it was trained to do. Automation doesn't understand intent. It doesn't understand context. And it doesn't understand consequences. That's why relying on automation alone can be risky. If a system makes a small mistake and no one checks it, that mistake can quietly repeat. This is why good security systems never remove people from the process. Automation stabilizes the situation. Humans interpret what happened. People can see context that machines can't. Was this expected behavior? Was this a one-time event? Does this need adjustment? Automation handles speed. Humans handle meaning. That balance is what keeps systems reliable, instead of brittle. AI adds another layer to this conversation. AI can help systems adapt faster, spot patterns earlier, respond more efficiently. But AI also increases confidence, sometimes more confidence than a situation deserves. The more powerful the tools become, the more important human judgment becomes. AI is a powerful assistant, it is not an authority. For most people, this is actually reassuring. It means you're protected by systems designed to absorb noise, block obvious risks, and stay calm under pressure. But it also means the basics still matter. No system can protect you from every mistake. No automation can replace awareness entirely. That's why understanding simple, practical cybersecurity habits is still one of the most powerful defenses available. Modern cybersecurity isn't about fear, it's about balance. Automation gives us speed, humans give us judgment. When those two work together, systems become safer, calmer, and more resilient. Understanding that balance helps replace anxiety with confidence, and that's exactly what good security should do. In the next cyber video, we're taking a very practical turn. We'll answer the most searched cybersecurity questions on Google. The questions real people and small businesses ask every day. Things like, what's the best way to protect myself from identity theft? What is phishing really? How strong should my password be? Do I actually need antivirus software? And what should I do if my account gets hacked? Clear answers, simple explanations, no jargon. That's next time on Zyber.
Cybersecurity doesn't have to be scary or complicated. Here in Zyber, we show you how to make it simple, practical, and even a little fun. Stay smart, stay secure. This has been Z. Till next time.